Most people think AI makes people lazy. They picture a world where machines do all the thinking for you and your brain just shrinks. But psychology tells a very different story. When used the right way, AI can actually make you think sharper, learn faster, and even boost your IQ. The problem is, most people use AI the wrong way. They ask it to do all the work instead of using it to train their brain. Today, I'm going to show you 9 ways AI can actually make you smarter, with examples you can try yourself. And you'll see how AI can be your personal brain trainer. And yes, if you want to explore all the tools I'm showing today, check the link in the description and pinned comment 1. AI can challenge your thinking. Intelligence isn't just about getting answers. It's about asking better questions. One of the most powerful ways to use AI is to ask it to disagree with you. For example, if you're convinced that watching videos is the fastest way to learn, you could ask AI, "Give me reasons why watching videos alone might not be the best learning strategy." Suddenly, it shows you counter-arguments you hadn't considered. Maybe that active recall, note-taking, or teaching someone else is actually more effective. Psychologists call this cognitive challenge. It forces your brain to rethink ideas, analyze arguments, and consider alternatives. That's exactly how smarter people train their thinking every day. Notice how in this point I didn't push any product. We're focusing on the thinking exercise itself, and later I'll show you how tools like ChatLLM can make this easier and faster. 2. AI can explain complex ideas. Simply. Many people struggle because explanations are too complicated. AI can break things down into simple, digestible steps. You can ask, "Explain cognitive biases like I'm 12 years old," or give a real-life example of a memory trick. And here's the magic. AI doesn't just give a short answer, it creates analogies, step-by-step instructions, and even relates concepts to things you see every day. For example, it might explain how your brain misremembers grocery lists or forgets homework deadlines. Suddenly, memory bias isn't abstract. It's something you notice in your daily life. Psychologists call this the simplicity effect. When concepts are simple and relatable, your brain can absorb them quickly, remember them longer, and actually apply them. 3. AI helps you learn. Faster scrolling endless articles, watching hours of videos, or flipping through books can waste days of your life. AI can summarize long articles, books, or research papers in seconds. For instance, say, "Summarize this study on memory improvement into 5 actionable points." You instantly get the core knowledge. But here's the key. Your brain isn't passive. You can pause, reflect, and apply one tip immediately, like trying one memory technique for a week. This combination of efficiency plus active application is called efficient learning, a trait of highly intelligent people. Think of it like having a personal tutor who reads the entire book for you and then explains the parts you actually need to practice. You save time, but still learn deeply. 4. AI can simulate smart conversations. Discussion improves intelligence because it forces your brain to analyze, question, and reason. AI can act as a thinking partner. Ask, "Debate me on why multitasking harms learning," or challenge my opinion that AI makes people lazy. The AI responds with counterpoints and questions, letting you practice argumentation and critical thinking. Imagine having a debate partner who's always available, never gets tired, and can present perspectives you hadn't considered. Over time, these exercises strengthen reasoning, creativity, and analytical skills. 5. AI expands. Your curiosity. Curiosity drives intelligence. The more questions you ask, the more your brain grows. AI removes the barrier of waiting for answers. Ask, "Show me 5 concepts related to emotional intelligence," or "Give me experiments I can try to improve memory." Suddenly, you're exploring topics you wouldn't have discovered on your own. For example, starting with emotional intelligence might lead you to attention, motivation, memory, and decision-making. Within minutes, you're mapping a whole network of ideas. This exploration trains your brain to make connections faster and develop deep understanding, the kind of knowledge that sticks for a lifetime. 6. AI can turn ideas into visuals. Humans remember visuals far better than text. AI can generate diagrams, charts, or infographics that make ideas easy to understand and remember. For example, ask, generate a diagram showing how neurons form memories. Now, what once seemed abstract becomes tangible. You can see patterns, relationships, and structures, and your brain retains it far longer than reading paragraphs of text. 7. AI can make you a better writer. Writing consolidates knowledge, but poorly written text makes understanding harder. AI can rewrite paragraphs to make them clearer, more engaging, and easier to remember. Ask, rewrite this paragraph about cognitive psychology so it's fun and easy to read. Your brain can process the material faster, and the rewritten version becomes something you can use for essays, notes, or presentations. 8. AI can build tools that teach you. Active learning beats passive consumption. AI can create quizzes, mini-apps, or interactive lessons that reinforce knowledge. Ask, create a 5-question quiz on IQ-boosting techniques, or generate a mini-interactive lesson on attention span improvement. Completing the quiz actively trains your memory and problem-solving skills. Over time, repeated exercises like this strengthen your brain, just like working out strengthens muscles. 9. AI can organize your knowledge. Brains get smarter when information is structured. AI can create charts, graphs, and mind maps to organize what you learn. Ask, make a mind map of all strategies to improve IQ, or create a chart comparing learning methods. Organized information is easier to understand, retain, and recall. For example, seeing memory techniques, learning strategies, and exercises in one chart helps your brain connect everything, reinforcing understanding and boosting IQ over time. I started using ChatLLM by Abacus AI, and honestly, it's made a big difference in how I think and learn. Instead of flipping between multiple AI tools, now I have everything in one place. ChatGPT 5.4, Gemini 3.1 Pro, Claude Opus 4.6, Grok 4, DeepSeek, and more. No guessing which AI to use. It's all ready whenever I need it. One of the smartest features is RouteLLM. You just ask a question, and it automatically picks the best AI model for the task, whether it's text analysis, image or video generation, or even coding. You don't waste time trying to figure out which tool works best. It just gives you the smartest answer. Humanize is another favorite. It makes AI text sound natural, so you can read it, understand it, and remember it, which is essential if you want your brain to absorb information effectively. Then there's Deep Agent. It can create websites, apps, presentations, and interactive lessons from simple prompts. It's not replacing thinking. It's giving you tools to practice, experiment, and train your brain in ways that actually improve IQ. Collaboration is smooth too. You can invite team members, manage permissions, share conversations, and connect popular enterprise tools like Slack, Teams, Google Drive, and OneDrive. Everything stays organized, so working with others, or keeping your learning structured, is effortless. And all of this comes for just $10 per month, which is far cheaper than paying for all these tools separately. And it's a simple way to boost your IQ while learning smarter. If you want to explore it yourself, visit ChatLLM.abacus.ai or check the link in the description and pinned comment so AI doesn't make you lazy, used correctly. It can train your brain, boost your IQ, help you think better, learn faster, and stay curious. The difference isn't the technology, it's how you use it.